Good day, grade 6 learners. I'm back. I'm glad that we meet again here in Valenzuela FB Live. Today is another science terrific day of learning more exciting things about the energy. So what are you waiting for? Come on and get ready as we discover more things about our today's episode. I'm Sir Leslie, reminding you to comment down your name followed by the name of your school. You may also type your answers and questions that are related to our topic in our comment box. And also, don't forget to prepare your module, notebook, and ballpen for taking down some important ideas. For today's lesson is based on the most essential learning competencies in Science 6. Demonstrate energy transformation from electrical energy to sound energy. And also demonstrate energy transformation from electrical energy to light to heat energy. At the end of our lesson, you should be able to: number 1, demonstrate energy transformation from electrical energy to sound energy. And demonstrate energy transformation from electrical energy to light to heat. Energy is the ability to work. That's right. It makes the car run, a radio to play, the bulb to switch on. It allows the kid to ride a bike. Also, draw pictures. It makes the rabbit hop or the bird to fly. And it makes a plant grow. Energy comes in different forms. Sound energy, just like electrical energy, sound energy is also very important. It produces when a force causes an object to move or when it vibrates. Light energy. Light energy is the only energy that is visible in our eyes. It is the combination of electrical energy and magnetic energy. While the heat energy is also known as thermal energy. It is formed when molecules move within an object. Heat energy is transferred through the processes of conduction, convection, and radiation. Electrical energy is created from charged particles. It is one of the most important forms of energy in today's world. While the mechanical energy, this form of energy makes things, people, and animals move. It is the energy of movement. While the chemical energy, this form of energy comes from objects due to their chemical composition. Fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas have chemical energy. The same is true with the food we eat. Nuclear energy. The nucleus of atoms stores tremendous energy. This energy is released when the nucleus is different atoms come together or fuse in the process called nuclear fusion, or when they split or divide in the process of nuclear fission. Humans have learned to control these processes through the use of device called nuclear reactor. Whenever you see motion, light, feel, hit, or hear sound, energy is being used. But what happens when energy is used up? How can we make more? The answer is that energy is never really used up. Energy is not created nor destroyed. It just changes into different form. This is called energy transformation. Energy transformation is defined as the process of changing energy from one form to another. Energy can be transferred from one object to another. Have you ever watched a cartoon where someone transformed from an ordinary person into a superhero? Energy transforms itself all the time. People, animals, plants, all needs energy to live. Where do we get it? It starts with the sun. The sun is the source of a lot of energy on Earth. Plants use sunlight to make their food. Then people and animals eat plants and get energy from them. People also eat animals, which eat the plants. While the electricity is a form of energy that we commonly use every day, it is a form of energy that can flow from one place to another. But how can we maximize the use of electrical energy? This time, I will show you how we are going to transform electrical energy to sound energy and transform electrical energy to light, to heat. Are you ready? Let's watch this.
It's science time. It's so much fun. Learning fun for everyone. It's science time. Yes, you best believe. Explore and learn new things you once missed to see. It's science time. Every day. We know it's awesome. We know it's great.
In activity number 1, we saw how the transformation of energy from electrical energy into sound energy happened. As we plug in the radio, it will function because of the electricity from the socket, and then the radio will create vibrations which produce sound waves. While in the activity number 2, we also have observed how the transformation of energy happened from electrical energy to light to heat energy. As we plug in the light bulb, it will produce light, then later on the light bulb will release heat energy. So here are other examples that energy can transform in one form to another. The chemical energy of the battery is changed to electrical energy when you switch on the flashlight. The electrical energy is turned into light and heat energy, which is used to see when in dark places or night during brownouts. Next is when you plug the electric fan and switch it on, the electrical energy is changed to mechanical energy and heat energy. The toy car. The toy car uses chemical energy of the battery. When you switch it on, the chemical energy is changed to electrical energy. The electrical energy is transformed to mechanical energy, which make the toy car move. Sound energy and heat energy are also produced during transformation. All right. If you understand our lesson, tap the like or heart reaction. To test your knowledge and understanding about the energy transformation, let's try this activity. You will tell whether the statement is true or false. Let's start. Number 1, a battery contains chemical energy that transform into other forms of energy. A battery contains chemical energy that is transformed into other forms of energy. 5 seconds. Comment down your answer. The correct answer is true. Number 2, when you turn on a television set, electrical energy is converted to sound and light energy. When you turn on a television set, electrical energy is converted to sound and light energy. Is it true or false? Comment down your answer. Okay. The correct answer is true. Excellent. Number 3, an electric doorbell transforms electrical energy to light energy. An electric doorbell transforms electrical energy to light energy. True or false? Comment down your answer. The correct answer is false. In number 4, heat is always released when energy is transformed. Heat is always released when energy is transformed. True or false? The correct answer is true. Lastly, number 5, energy can be transformed from one form to another. Energy can be transformed from one form to another. Comment down your answer. Okay, the correct answer is true. Very good, grade 6 learners. For our hashtag, Ask Your Science Teacher time, you can ask me some questions about our topic. I will do my best to answer them. So you may now start typing your questions in our comment box. All right, next question. Sir, what are the effects of energy transformation? Excellent question again. All energy sources have some impact on our environment. Fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas do substantially more harm than renewable energy source by most measures, including air and water pollution, damage to public health, wildlife and habitat loss, water use, land use, and global warming emissions. Next question. Sir, what forms of energy being transferred by windmills? Okay. A wind turbine transforms the mechanical energy of wind into electrical energy. A turbine takes the kinetic energy of a moving fluid, air, in this case, and converts it into a rotary motion. Thank you for participating in our discussion. I know that you are really enjoy our lesson today. Sadly, we don't have enough time to answer all your questions today. But I know your science teachers in your school will help you with this. So don't forget to attend your virtual class tomorrow. Thank you for participating in our discussion. I know that you really enjoy our lesson today. Sadly, we don't have enough time to answer all your questions today. But I know that your science teachers in your school will help you with this. So don't forget to attend your virtual class tomorrow. But before we end our discussion, let us sum up the following and remember the important points of our lesson. Energy is life. Without it, we cannot do anything. We use different forms of energy in everything we do. Energy must be transformed from one form to another before they can be beneficial. The change from one form of energy to another is called energy transformation. Energy is not created nor destroyed. It just changes into different form. We can transform electrical energy to sound energy and also electrical energy to heat to light energy. Energy transformation is the process of changing energy from one form to another. And for our homework, answer the activity in your module in science on page 25. Again, the activity in your module in Science on page 25. Once again, I'm Sir Leslie, leaving you with the quote, "Conserve energy to preserve future. Use it responsibly." Thank you for listening, and see you again next week for another Science Terrific episode here in Valenzuela FB Live.